question time. Trish wants to know, where is the best and worst place you have ever given a Hummer? The best place was when me and you were on the back porch during Courtney's baby shower. That was the best. And the worst place was that time I was sitting in the tree and you were on the branch in front of me swinging around and your junk was all up in my face. That was the worst. Trish also wants to know, who gave you the best and worst head? Courtney gives me the best head because she takes her teeth out for me. And you give me the worst because you're a biter. We don't like biters. Courtney wants to know, can I check you for tips? You know it, baby. Carrie wants to know, who is the gayest person you know, and would you want to be trapped on a deserted island with them? Well, I wouldn't want to be trapped on a deserted island with this person because I'd end up clubbing him to death with a coconut. And as for names, I can't drop names. Okay, Aunt Penny wants to know, who do you think about in the shower? All depends on the day and the mood I'm in. Sometimes I think about Johnny Depp, and some days I think about Pam Anderson. On really good days, I think about Johnny Depp and Pam Anderson. And Johnny's dressed as Jack Sparrow, and Pam's got this weather... Never mind. Okay. And Penny also wants to know, what would you do with $1 million? If I had $1 million, I'd buy you a house. And Penny also wants to know, have you ever had sex outside? Yes, so we were in a car, and that doesn't even count. Robert wants to know, will we clone dinosaurs and will they rule the world again? I sure as hell hope not. But I think it would be really cool if we cloned Ozzy Osbourne and made like a whole fucking army of them. And then Ozzy could rule the world. That would be like the best thing ever. So Nanny wants to know, how old were you when you got your sex change? If I remember correctly, it was on my 57th birthday. You should remember, you drove me there, remember? Sterling wants to know, what is truth? Truth is, Jim Morrison gave me crabs back in 1964. It was horrible. I'd never been so itchy down there before. Stephanie wants to know, have you ever had that not-so-fresh feeling? Yes, I have. Every single time Malcolm is around, because I look at him and I think, I slept in the same bed with him for almost 2 years, and then I end up throwing up all over myself, and I feel gross and not so fresh anymore. Stephanie also wants to know, how many times do you poop a day? Good day, about 3. Bad day, only 1. And Derek wants to see boobs, and being as I am not showing my boobs, I have boobs for you, Derek. There's your boobies. See the boobies? See the boobies? Cleavage. There you go.